On this video, the plan is very simple. I will explain how to use edit mode and object mode inside Blender, how is a mesh made, and how to use selection modes. I will go one by one trying to explain each idea the best I can. For those who do not know me, my name is Ivan and I consider myself a student since I'm not a pro at Blender yet, but that will not stop me from teaching you everything I have learned so far. My promise for this video is that after you watch this to the very end, you will feel confident using object mode and edit mode as much as needed. That being said, let's start. Understanding meshes. By default, Blender starts in object mode. In object mode, you can select an object, make it big with S, move it around with G, rotate it with R, and you can see that on object mode, when you select something, everything is moving like one whole item. If you scale it down, everything will be scaled up or down. If you want to actually change the form or the geometry of an object, you have to first select it, press on this button, and go to edit mode. On edit mode, you're going to see the mesh. Here, with the mesh, you can change the actual shape of an object. For example, like this. All the meshes you're going to create on Blender are built using three main components. The first one are the vertices or vertex. This is just a single point in a 3D space. Vertices are the smallest building block of a mesh, and when two vertices connect, like this, we get an edge. An edge is when two dots connect. This is what you can see when you activate the wireframe. Let me change to wireframe view. And you can see all the edges, all the lines that connect the dots. And when you connect three edges, you're going to get a face selected. Or you can change over here on the selection mode to face. You can change between selection mode just by pressing 1, 2, or 3. If you press on 1, you're going to get the vertex selection. If you press on 2, you're going to get the edge selection. And if you press 3, you're going to get the face selection. If you want to select multiple faces or multiple edges or vertex, just select one and hold Shift while selecting new dots, new edges, or new faces. And that's how you're going to change the geometry inside the edit mode. When you're done, go back to object mode and we're done. Thank you everyone for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have a question, go ahead and make a comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.